In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate iCloud Drive on your iPhone. This straightforward process enables you to store, sync, and access your files across all your Apple devices seamlessly. Whether you're looking to keep documents, photos, or other essential files in one easily accessible place, activating iCloud Drive is the way to go. To get started, grab your iPhone and open the Settings app. You'll need to look for your name, which should appear prominently right at the top of the Settings menu. This section not only houses your personal information, but also serves as the gateway to your iCloud settings. Tap on your name and this will direct you into a new menu dedicated to Apple ID settings. Here you should notice an option labelled iCloud. Select iCloud and it will open up a list of all the features and apps linked with your iCloud account. From managing storage to handling backups, this is where you control everything cloud related. Now scroll through this list until you locate the iCloud Drive option. Depending on how many apps you've got listed under iCloud, you might have to scroll a bit, but you'll find iCloud Drive is usually towards the middle or end of the list. Once you've found iCloud Drive, you'll see a toggle switch next to it. If the switch appears grey, it means iCloud Drive is currently inactive. To turn it on, simply tap the switch. As you do so, the switch will move to the right and its colour changes to green. This visual cue indicates the activation of iCloud Drive on your device. With iCloud Drive now turned on, you've unlocked the ability to store files and documents across your gadgets. But how do you access these files moving forward? It's easy. Your iPhone comes pre-installed with the Files app, which acts as a centralized hub where you can view and manage everything you store in iCloud Drive. From the home screen, locate the Files app. It's represented by an icon that looks like a blue folder. Open the app and within it you'll see different locations, one of which will be iCloud Drive. Tap on iCloud Drive and you'll be able to view all files and folders you've saved. It's a super convenient way to stay organized whether you're using an iPhone, iPad, or even a Mac. And that's it. In just a few minutes you've successfully activated iCloud Drive and can now enjoy the perks of having your files accessible anytime and anywhere. Remember, if you ever need more storage space or want to manage your files, you can always revisit the settings to make adjustments. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.